I will show you how to get the best heart health of your life with just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen. Trust me, you already have everything you need. Welcome back to Cure with Nature. Today, we're diving into an incredible, all-natural remedy to cleanse your blood vessels and boost heart health. And guess what? You probably have these ingredients in your kitchen already. First, onions. These bad boys are packed with quercetin and antioxidants to lower blood pressure and reduce artery inflammation. Next, garlic, the famous heart helper. It lowers cholesterol, improves circulation, and fights plaque buildup. Ginger's next. It's anti-inflammatory and promotes healthy blood flow. Now let's slice up some lemon. Vitamin C galore. It strengthens blood vessels and detoxifies your body. Turmeric and black pepper, a dynamic duo. Turmeric's curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory, and black pepper boosts its absorption. Finally, honey, sweet and full of antimicrobial goodness. Mix them up and you've got a heart-healthy powerhouse. Now that we know the benefits, let's start preparing this simple and powerful remedy. Start by boiling 1 liter of water in a pot. Once the water is boiling, add your chopped onion, crushed garlic, ginger slices, and lemon. Let this mixture simmer on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Simmering helps extract all the powerful compounds from these ingredients, making the remedy even more potent. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper, about 1/8 teaspoon. This combo boosts the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric that supports cardiovascular health. Once your mixture has simmered for 10 to 15 minutes, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool slightly. Strain the liquid into a container to remove the solid ingredients, and now we're left with our powerful health tonic. Once it's warm, not hot, add 2 tablespoons of honey and stir until it's fully dissolved. To cleanse your blood vessels and support your heart health, drink 1 glass of this remedy every morning on an empty stomach. It's easy to prepare and can make a big difference in your cardiovascular health. Store the rest of the mixture in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days and just reheat it slightly before drinking. This powerful remedy combines the health benefits of onion, garlic, ginger, lemon, turmeric, black pepper, and honey to cleanse blood vessels, improve circulation, and support overall cardiovascular health. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural remedies from Cure with Nature. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest health tips.